पेडणे पालिका सारखे काम करिना म्हूण घरपट्टीची लाखांनी रुपयाची थकबाकी उरल्या अशें मत शार उदरगत मंत्री फ्रांसीस डिसोजान उक्तायलें. पेडणेचो बस स्टँड पालिकेन बांदपाचो काय येरादारी खात्यान हें सभापती राजेंद्र आर्लेकार थारायतलो अशें शार उदरगत मंत्र्यान सांगलें. फाटलीं कितलींशींच वर्सां पेडणेच्या बस स्टँडाचो प्रस्न गाजता.
शार उदरगत मंत्री फ्रांसीस डिसोजान पेडणे पालिकेक भेट दिवन पालिकेची गाराणी आयकून घेतली. ह्या बसकेक पेडणेचे आमदार सभापती राजेंद्र आर्लेकार हजर आशिल्ले. नगराध्यक्ष दोतोर वासुदेव देशप्रभून शार उदरगत मंत्री फ्रांसीस डिसोजा आणि सभापती राजेंद्र आर्लेकाराक एक निवेदन भेटयले. ह्या बसकेक पेडणे वाठारांतले कांय नागरीक आशिल्ले. तांणी पेडणेच्यो समस्या मंत्र्या मुखार मांडल्यो.
उत्पन्न असल्या कारणान पगार जायना, टायमार जायना, दोन्ही गोष्टी माझा प्रयत्न पहिले विजय घेवपाक जाल्ला पयले. दुसरो नासलो विषय काय सोडलो पयले. आता हांगासर रेजिस्ट्रेशन खूप केल्ले, इंजिनियर कोण काम करिना, स्टाफ काम करिना, रिकवरी 28 लाखाची पगार महिने जाले घालून रिकवरी घालून 1.5 लाखाचो पगार आहा. ताचो अर्थ कितें, कावन्सील आपल्या करिना.
पेडणेच्यान आमचो खबराकार विनोद मेथर.
युरो फुटबॉल कप शुक्रारा सावन सुरू जाता. फुटबॉलाचे पिशे आशिल्ल्या लोकां खातीर हो उत्सव 4 वर्सांनी एकदां येता. आतां फुडले कांय दीस तांच्या आंगार तांच्या क्लबांच्यो जर्सी दिसपाक लागतल्यो. गोंयांत युरो कप फिवर मातसो जोर धरता. वातावरणाचो अदमास घेवंक आमी स्पोर्ट्स शॉपांनी भोंवले. जर्सीच्या सेलाक अजून तितलो नेट येवंक ना, पूण सर्त जशी नेट धरतली तश्यो क्लबाच्यो जर्सी खपपाक लागतल्यो असो शॉपवाल्यांचो अदमास. पळयात रिपोर्ट.
Well, this is the time of the year now and the season where Euro 2012 is going to come. It's time now not to focus much on these clubs, and I guess all of you guys and you football fans out there will focus your attention on these jerseys, because it's time now to wear your country that you support and not your club. So Portugal, Spain, Italy, we are here at one of the sports shops in the capital city, and we're going to be taking a look at how the sale has gone, what jerseys they have available, and what you fans out there can wear and support your favorite team. Let's find out.
Euro fever this time it is not yet picked up so far, not so much as the World Cup. You know, the World Cup there was a big fever and people were just flogging here, in fact, to take all the accessories, but we didn't have till the last moment. Last time it was a little difficult thing that we got the accessories, they were made available only at the last moment. But this time we have the jerseys and all that for the countries, but yet the fever is still not picked up. Goans are more favorable to what you call Portugal. Last time the change was there, and there was a shift of Portugal fans. They a little bit moved out to Spain though in the end.
And what is your jersey priced at? What have you kept your pricing at?
So somewhere around 480 or something like that. Yeah.
Do you feel it will pick up later, maybe in the group stages or?
Yeah, I think that will pick up. I think definitely. People are not aware that the jerseys are available. So now that they will know, they might rush up.
Euro, the sales have just started actually picking up right now. I mean, it's still a long way to go because people sometimes do not know whom to support. As and when the games go by, then the support will be more for a particular team. Right now, mostly it is Portugal that's selling in our shop. We have got a collection of Spain, then France, Portugal, Germany and Italy. The replica of the Euro Cup football, which is just behind you.
So I have now got on my favorite team jersey, that's Germany. I was hoping they'll do a better job in the Euro than they did in the World Cup. But as I said earlier, it's time now that I guess all of you guys have forgotten Manchester United's and the Real Madrid's, even the Mumbai Indians, and I guess have now taken a liking to the Euro jerseys. With video journalist Prajot Pednikar, this is sports reporter Nikhil Pereira from Panji.
तुमकां ह्यो खबरो चुकले आसत जाल्यार आमच्या www.prudentmedia.in वेबसायट वा ट्विटर अकाउंट प्रुडंट गोवा वा www.facebook.com/prudentmedia ह्या फेसबूक अकाउंटाचेर मेळटल्यो. इतल्यान हे खबराचेत्र हांगा सोंपता. पळयत रावात प्रुडंट मिडिया. नमस्कार.